For introduction, the Smart Crimper is an innovative tool designed to simplify the cable crimping process, making it more efficient and user-friendly. This project incorporates an actuator mechanism to push the crimper downward, reducing the effort required during operation and ensuring consistent results. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Smart Crimper is portable and ideal for on-site applications. Additionally, an internal light has been added to enhance visibility in low light conditions and improve the device's overall aesthetic. This combination of functionality and design makes the Smart Crimper a practical and modern tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.
For objective, Smart Crimper making it easier for students to crimp RJ45 connector. Students don't need to waste their energy and it only takes a short time to crimp.
For uniqueness, Smart Crimper equipped with an actuator system for easy and consistent crimping. It also have a feature internal lighting to assist operation in low light condition. Smart Crimper also have a modern, compact and portable design.
For benefit, it can reduce physical fatigue for user, improve efficiency and precision during the cable crimping process, easy to carry and suitable for use anywhere, and ensures safety.
For commercial potential for students, it high demand for information technology students for tools and simplify crimping. And for market, it potential to be customized and branded to meet the professional and industrial market.
This is the data we collect from 34 respondents, which is 52.9% of male and 47.1% of female.
The highest for summary of safety is 38.2%.
The highest of summary for difficulty in crimping is 29.4%.
Thirdly, the highest for summary for practice requirement in crimping is 35.3%.
The highest for time requirement for crimping is 29.4%.
The last one, the highest for strength is 44.1%. That's all from us.
Thank you for watching.